Hello everybody. Today we have a package to open, so let's open that. Today we have a fire alarm for our system, obviously. I'm excited to see what it is. A simplex sync control module. So we got the package here. Okay, if we flip it around, we have the actual sync module. And let me tell you, this is actually pretty cool. I've never seen one of these before. So I don't have any devices today to test it. I will be testing it when I get some other packages. And then I'll probably be putting this on my system. So, that being said, have a great day, guys. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you guys later.